Camera. Enactress.
Coming through these hundreds, we playing Valencians, riding around with a 50 be with me. I can get myself and go, buy what I want until I get this. I don't wanna hit your lid, I'm smoking on runs. Better let me run to your thighs, I'm like to show you something. Middle finger to your nigga, you in my drip. Cheetos with the glasses in my pocket, parties on my face, said I'm broke, you need to stop it. Ask me, do I love Ryan on my spit? Niggas are mine when I put up in the race, switch lanes on speed and racks closing up, I'm up in my phone.
Alright, I need to stop thinking. That's my problem.
It's all there for you for the U.S. Army. Get started now at GoArmy.com.
Potrà tornare alla nostra terra. In una edizione rigorosamente integrale. Talvolta squisitamente poetico. E se non sarà possibile per me, forse qualcun altro di noi potrà tornare alla nostra terra.
Oh, che bell'aria fresca, fattori malvarosa, che pure bella stai, gozzati bronni rosa.
They say you gon' do me wrong, just repercussions. See how smart I move. Streets got something for me, how the fuck I'm gon' refuse?
Just trying to tidy up the place. Go back to sleep. How you doing? You went to purgatory, my friend. You went. You add up all your mortal sins and multiply that number by 50. Then you add up all your venial sins and multiply that by 25. You add them together, and that's your sentence. I figure I'm gonna have to do about 6,000 years before I get accepted at the heaven. And 6,000 years is nothing in eternity times. I can do that standing on my head. Like a couple of days here. Days here.
I just wanna be left alone. It's nothing painful more than death alone. Where all my diamonds go? Like, why y'all leave me here? I know they talking back to me, but I can't seem to hear it. My mentality clouded. I can't seem to clear it. Evil spirits, can't avoid them, I can't seem to shake it. I've been through shit that you couldn't stomach, but won't let it break me. Gave my jurisdiction hope, that nigga still ain't thank me. It don't surprise me though, this shit be coming with highs and lows. Got so many obituaries, I can't cry no more. The Fed stipulation stiff, I can't get high no more. You see me staring into space, I'm tryna find my soul, nah. Tryna find myself, politely I decline your help. It's nothing you can do to bring my niggas back. And I just want my niggas back. It ain't nothing you could do to bring my niggas back. Then you can't do nothing for a gangster, you can't give me that. They telling me I changed, I'm knowing I'm not the same. If anything it's the pain, I'm knowing it's not the fame. I'm knowing it's not the money. Skeezy on my scully, I ain't know nothing about that back though till they showed me shit get ugly. They telling me I changed, I'm knowing I'm not the same. If anything it's the pain, I'm knowing it's not the fame. I'm knowing it's not the money. Skeezy on my scully, I ain't know nothing about that back though till they showed me shit get ugly. I used to pray I live forever, shit, I don't care no more. Hey, am I weird for texting gang? No, he ain't here no more. Moms couldn't speak at your service, for she cleared her throat, she broke down. They ain't know what you meant to us, they know now. Throw rounds, used to pour out liquor, now we pour out pints of Slitnon. Loyalty related to betrayal, they share a thin line. Debt before dishonor, always been a quote I live by. His son was there to watch them niggas barbecue his ribeye. Gave my partner mama a little something just to get by. Even if she get high with it, shit I don't blame her. The suckers catch me loafing, I promise to die gangster. Clip hole 20, it's 19, one in the chamber. Ain't telling me I changed, I'm knowing it ain't the fame. Give a fuck about this money, I just wanted y'all to love me. But after all the sneaky snake shit, how could you trust me? Niggas forced my hand, shit, I was forced to get him slammed. They telling me I changed, I'm knowing I'm not the same. If anything it's the pain, I'm knowing it's not the fame. I'm knowing it's not the money. Skeezy on my scully, I ain't know nothing about that back though till they showed me shit get ugly. They telling me I changed, I'm knowing I'm not the same. If anything it's the pain, I'm knowing it's not the fame. I'm knowing it's not the money. Skeezy on my scully, I ain't know nothing about that back though till they showed me shit get ugly.